Real-time face recognition with Flask app. I am Sohaib Aamir. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share a project I have been working on, a real-time face recognition application using Flask, OpenCV, MTCNN, and FaceNet. This project captures video from a webcam and detects faces in real time and performs face recognition using predefined face embeddings. Let's dive into it. First, let me give you a quick overview of the project. We will be using Python and several powerful libraries to build a web application that can detect and recognize faces in real-time video streams. This project is a great way to learn about computer vision and web development with Flask. Project structure. Here's the project structure. We have three main components: app.py, recognition.py, and in templates folder we have file of web HTML files, index.html and result.html. First discuss app.py. This is the main Flask application file that sets up the server and handles video streaming. Number 2, face recognition.py. This file has a class face recognitions that detects faces. Has the call logic for face detection and recognition. HTML files are used to display video feed in the web browsers. Setting up the environment. You need to install Flask, OpenCV, Python, NumPy, MTCNN, Keras, FaceNet, scikit-learn, and you can clone my repository by going to the URL given in the description and navigate to project directory. Assignment 2. Let's go through the main files in app.py. We start by importing necessary libraries. And then we have imported FaceNet, initialize FaceNet and MTCNN. Next, we initialize the Flask applications and set up the FaceNet and MTCNN models. We define a class face recognition in face recognition.py that contain methods for face detection, image processing, generating embeddings, and comparing embeddings. Also display image with captions. To run this application, we will type Python app.py. We will open our browser and type this URL. FaceTime real-time face recognition. Here you can see the application in action. The webcam captures the videos and detects face recognition, and also use unauthorized and authorized labels. If a match is found it displays authorized, otherwise it shows unauthorized. Let me give you an example from a mobile application. I'll open some images of people. images. Wait, look at this. Unauthorized. Because these are not in our. As you've seen that it is not recognized because in our database there are only my picture, and it is comparing this picture the with my real face in the webcam, and this is our application view. Here's my VS Code. Here is the VS Code. Basic file is app.css app.py. Here's the and that's it. You have seen how to build a real-time face recognition application using Flask and several powerful Python libraries. This project is a fantastic way to learn about computer vision and web development. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question or suggestions for future videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.